With packages, you have the option to add tax to your product or service. If tax is not required by your local government, most users can skip this step. Tax is added on a per line item basis in Dubsado. This gives you the flexibility to add tax to products and services when required and leave tax off of products or services that do not need to be taxed. Because tax rates are standard, Dubsado saves each tax rate you create as a tax item. This allows you to apply the same tax to each line item and ultimately see how much of each tax you have collected in your chart of accounts, which we'll take a closer look at later in this unit. Let's say you need to collect a 10.25% California sales tax on this line item. If you have already created a tax item for 10.25% California sales tax, you would want to click Select Tax if applicable and choose that existing tax item from the dropdown. It's important not to create a duplicate of an existing tax item. This ensures that all of your California sales tax is recorded in one place. If you need to collect tax that you have not created a tax item for in the past, you would click New Tax Item, enter the name and percentage of the tax, and click Add. We recommend naming your tax with the locale and percentage so that it's easy to identify in your chart of accounts. For example, you can create a package template for stationery design and printing. The first line item for the design fee does not require tax by our local government, so we haven't added tax. The second and third line items for printed invitations and printed envelopes do require tax, so we can add a 10.25% sales tax to each line item. If you're integrating your Dubsado account with a bookkeeping software, check out our Help Center for more information about adding taxes. In your chart of accounts, you can create categories to track your income. If you offer multiple services, your categories might include web design, SEO, and website maintenance. If you only offer one service like coaching but have different packages, you might create a category for each type of package, such as gold, silver, or bronze. The specific income categories you need depends on the level of detail you want to track and the advice of your accountant. You can also assign an income category to a line item in a package. This allows Dubsado to assign money you bring in to the correct category automatically when a client pays you.